All right, welcome to Simply Learning and Living, where today, on this episode, we're going to learn how to fix a bike tire. My kids don't know how to, but this will be the first time all three of them learn. Two of them are going to get really involved, and they're going to fix the tire. Everybody, okay? So, let's get started. What are we going to need?
We're going to need wrenches like this.
Yep, wrenches like that.
15 with 2 M's.
Dad, your head is
Show the camera.
15 with 2 M's.
okay.
Cool. Zane, don't move the camera.
Today we're going to use wrenches,
Yep.
a piece of practice from keeping your tire popped,
Yep.
And rubber inner tubes.
Yep.
A tire changing kit.
Yeah.
Yep.
and all this 4 stuff we're going to use to fix this tire.
That tire.
Yep. This tire has to be fixed.
Not that tire. Because it's already not flat. It's this.
Okay. So now let's figure out how to get this baby fixed.
All right.
We're going to use one rubber tire because this is the only one that's flat.
So we're going to try to open this with a 16 and 15. You either one, but they're just really tight on it. So I should do
Okay,
that.
now we're just going to take
This
the bolt off.
There you go. Perfect. Now the other one has to hold the other bolt. Yep. Just like that. And what do you have to do? Hold the other bolt so it doesn't come falling off. All right. You just have to loosen it, and it should slide off.
Here, I'll help you.
Can I use that?
Hold on.
Can I try the 15?
Oh.
Yeah,
All
there.
right. Just
I could do
loosen
it.
both
I could
sides.
do it.
All right. Don't loosen it all the way.
Then-
Now take the tire off. There you go.
Now,
Perfect.
We're going to use these plastic pieces from the tire repair kit to get the rubber tire off. But first, I'm just going to stick this in.
yeah, like
It
that.
has to be,
that
almost right
Yeah.
on that.
Now we have to
You're just gonna
fix
try to.
get that tube off. The tube off. Let's get that tube off.
And we're gonna do it on the other side.
Yep.
Nico's gonna try.
Like that.
I'll do it.
No, let him try with me. No, let him try with me.
Oh,
Did it break?
nope.
Gotta do it.
Nope. Keep letting him try, babe. This is part of it.
Can't.
I think a pop can
Can you help?
tire.
Can you help?
Look at. See, so just
Like
go
that?
like this.
Ah.
Okay, we finally got it out. My dad had to pitch in and help get the tire out, but here we are. We finally got the tire out.
No.
Now we're just gonna take one side and take
The rubber out. And let's see where the hole is.
No!
Let's use this. Let's
wait. Hold on.
Let's take.
That's where that's where you put the air inside. So let's just
Stick it on the wire.
No, we could take that part out too.
Good. Take everything.
Go ahead and push it, that part out. Push it out from the inside, the metal part.
wait. What?
That's
Daddy,
the metal
can I
part. You
stop?
know, with your thumb?
Daddy?
Yep, just like that.
Push it in
No, no.
as hard as you can. First, we need you need a bucket of water,
Yeah.
but we have a truck.
Yeah. So first.
So first we just gotta. My brother's gonna pump this up.
Yeah. Okay. Let's pump this baby up and put it on.
bucket.
Nope.
We found the hole.
Let's see.
See, and it causes bubbles.
And it causes bubbles.
Bucket.
Nope.
We found the hole.
Let's see.
See, and it causes bubbles.
And it causes bubbles.
Hold on, let's see. Squeeze it. Yep.
That's a hole, all right. One patch.
So we just
One patch.
put this thing in to patch it so pokies don't poke through and poke the tire and it would get flat. It would get flat again. So we need to do this. Start at this side because it's the side we opened.
Right. 100% right.
So now we go like this and stuff that in.
You gotta make sure it's flat inside, or if you do it just at the bottom, your tire will go flat even though you still have it in.
We almost done. Hey, now
Almost
then we're gonna get scissors to cut it.
Then,
Hold on.
and my brother is trying to fix my bike. Then when it's gonna be all done, when he tests it out, it's gonna be all done for tomorrow.
Hold on, Nico. Uh-oh. Nico, you did it the wrong side. You did it the wrong side. Hold on. Okay, right here. So you just gotta stick to the same side.
And if it gets too loose, you could just pull it. So now it has to stay perfect. If it doesn't go perfect,
Cut it right there. Oh no.
It could overlap a little bit. It's fine. You just don't want it
I'll do
short.
it. I'll help.
can I do it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now we're just gonna cut it like you could draw a line. You could cut a line with your like that.
He's saying go get Mom scissors inside the cabinet where she keeps our straws at, okay? I think I could just rip it. Pretty sure I could rip
Is
it.
that scissors cutting? Here, do you need
They
help?
cut.
Cool.
Yep.
Okay.
So now we got that fixed. Now let's see if this tire could fix up, and we're gonna see
All
if
right, now let's put the tube in.
we go. Now let's put the tube in.
We ended up buying accidentally a little bigger than the other one.
A little bit.
A little bit.
If it looks too big,
We got it.
Cool.
We got it.
Good teamwork. All right, now put the rest of the tire
can I
in.
try?
Sure, you could try. Oh, hold on.
But this is super dangerous.
So now we're gonna put the rest of the tire in.
Ava,
Oh,
don't sit like this, okay?
Now it's the same.
so
All
now
right, is it all good?
Yep.
All right, now we just have to put the tire back in the rim.
so
Ava, now we have to
So-
put
I'm gonna use this
tire
plastic
back in.
thing. As you can see, it's kind of really broken.
okay. Hey, I think it got
Anywhere
fit.
right there, babe. You go anywhere behind it.
Elbowing your brother in the face.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it on the other side.
The other thing is you could use the screwdriver to help you. So
Yeah,
not
come-
that side, Mace. No.
Look at me, Nico. Come on.
Just make sure you're not stabbing the tire or the tube because then we'll have another flat.
How do you put this back in?
Don't stab where the air goes in at, okay? Because you'll make it flat right there. Save that for last, Mace.
So it was hard to get put this tube
Gotta put it on. Don't
put it on.
'cause the brakes will
So
stop it from
we needed some help from our dad. So now we're just gonna put this on right here.
Okay, go ahead, man.
Now-
Okay, we're gonna put the tire on. The reason why I'm not gonna pump it up yet is because the brakes will stop it from putting it on.
Yep.
Okay.
We're just gonna put it on.
Yep. So see these bolts go in here. Perfect. Make sure
Wait.
yours.
Yep. No, there's this one.
This thing.
Hold on. That one.
Okay. I got it. Okay. No. I got it.
Is yours in, Nico? Mason? Loosen yours up, Mason, and try to put them on. All right.
Zany, we're not pumping it up yet.
Wait. I could just.
Yep, you tighten it with your fingers first.
So now we just. If you don't know how to tie it with the wrench, you can tie it with your fingers to make it extra tight.
You do it with the
Then,
wrench.
then it's not tied properly tight. You have to tie it properly tight so your wheel doesn't go rolling when you're doing it, when you're riding your bike. So that's tight enough. Okay?
Is it tight?
You guys good?
Yes.
It's tight.
Pump it up.
All right.
Okay.
So now
Now we're gonna pump it.
Say, I'm gonna do.
Now we're just gonna pump it up. Hold on, Nico.
Now we're all done fixing my tire.
Almost.
So now we pump it up. Pick up, Daddy.
Is it hard? Hold on. Is it?
If it's hard, it's not on correctly.
Heavy. Ah.
Remember to use your thumb to push it on the backside.
It's not hard. Hold on.
There you go.
Not yet. Not yet. Is that good?
I think that's good.
Okay, good.
Done.
Come on, get this off. Get it off. Get it off. This is hard. It wasn't even that hard. Okay,
Does Mason go first,
like and subscribe.
and then Nico?
Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching our video.
Yep.
Our brother's gonna go test drive it, and he's the youngest.
Yeah.
Name's Zane.
Zane.
Okay.
He was in our mowing video, so you'll recognize him.
All right, cool.
Zane,
Yeah.
go.
Yeah, what are they doing?
Zane, go.
He's gone. Yep. Okay. He's going down the hill. Go down the hill. Yep, it works good. It goes fast enough, and it works so good. So
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe. So like and subscribe. Thank you for watching our video.